प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आज हम जीन विनिमय के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। जीन विनिमय, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, लैंगिक जनन के दौरान युग्मक बनते समय अर्धसूत्री विभाजन में ये प्रक्रिया संपन्न होती है, जिसके कारण आने वाली पीढ़ियों में विविधता और विभिन्नता उत्पन्न होती है। सो क्रॉसिंग ओवर or chromosomal crossover is the exchange of genetic material between homologous chromosomes that results in recombinant chromosomes. क्रॉसिंग ओवर एक ऐसी प्रक्रिया है जिसके अंदर समजात गुणसूत्रों के मध्य जीन खंडों का आदान प्रदान होता है, जिससे रिकॉम्बिनेंट क्रोमोसोम्स का निर्माण होता है, जो आगे चल कर के विविधता उत्पन्न करते हैं। Crossing over occur during meiosis, and it is the process where homologous chromosomes pair up with each other and exchange different material of their genetic material to form recombinant chromosomes. It may also occur during mitotic division, which may result in loss of heterozygosity. और हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जीन विनिमय अर्धसूत्री विभाजन के दौरान होने वाली वह प्रक्रिया है जिसमें समजात गुणसूत्र एक दूसरे के साथ में अपने पेयर का निर्माण करते हैं, और आप कह सकते हैं दोनों पेयर अप होते हैं। एक डायड और डायड का निर्माण होता है, जिससे उनके मध्य जेनेटिक मेटेरियल का आदान प्रदान हो सके और बनने वाले क्रोमोसोम्स जो कि रिकॉम्बिनेंट या पुनर्योगज गुणसूत्र होते हैं, जो विभिन्नताओं को युग्मकों के माध्यम से अगली पीढ़ी में ले जाने का कार्य करते हैं। क्रॉसिंग ओवर इज द इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द नॉर्मल सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ क्रोमोसोम ड्यूरिंग मियोसिस। क्रॉसिंग ओवर also important for the genetic variation, and this genetic variation occur because of the exchange of genetic material during crossing over. The chromatid held together by centromere are no longer identical, or you can say the crossing over is the process where the gene exchange with the homologous chromosomes and create a genetic variation in the coming generations. So, when chromosomes separated during meiosis second, some of the daughter cell receive daughter chromosome with recombinant alleles. Due to this genetic recombination, offspring have a different set of genes and alleles than their parents, and therefore the variations are there. Crossing over and chiasmata. Chiasmata is the point where two homologous non-sister chromatids exchange genetic material during crossing over during meiosis. Chiasmata become visible during diplotin stage of prophase first during meiosis, but actual crossing over occurs during previous Pachytene stage, when each tetrad, which is composed of two pairs of sister chromatids, begin to split. Only point of contact is chiasmata. So chiasmata are the X-like structure which are formed during the genetic recombination or the process of crossing over. After the crossing over has been taken place in the Pachytene, they are seen in the diplotin stage of meiosis first. Here the X-like structure you can see, that is chiasmata in the diagram, and after that the diagram you are seeing is the recombinant chromosomes in the given slide. The types of crossing overs: there is a single crossing over. Chromosomal crossover or crossing over is the exchange of genetic material between homologous chromosomes that results in recombinant chromosomes. It is one of the final phases of the genetic recombination which occur during prophase first of meiosis or during pegytene is called as synapsis. In single crossover, you can see here how the chromosomal chiasmata are seen in the diagram and how the exchange has been taken place. In double crossing over, two simultaneous reciprocal progresses and reunion events between the same two chromatids. In single crossover, there is only one crossover and there is one chiasmata. Here, two chiasmata are seen in the double crossing over. The factors which affects crossing over are age, sex, temperature, radiation, chemicals, physical distance between genes. Significance of crossing over. Crossing over is the universal in occurrence, occurs in plants, animals, bacteria, viruses, and moles. Meiotic crossing over allows a more independent selection between the two alleles that occupy the positions of single genes as recombination. Shuffle the alleles content between sister chromatids. It helps in providing linear arrangement of genes. Recombination does not have any influence on the statistical probability that another offspring will have the same combination. This theory of independent assortment of alleles is fundamental to genetic inheritance. Origin of new characters is the another importance necessary for the natural selection as it increases chances of variation and hence evolution gets in the later stage. Thank you very much.